Chubs, what's up? And welcome back to another video. I know, I have not done anything in a while. Do y'all like my pink walls? I don't think I've ever vlogged or did a, 20%, oops, that's not good. This is on my phone, so 20%, you know, that's not good. I hope you like my pink walls. They're like really gorgeous, you know. I do want to repaint. It's actually like a purplish pink now that I've looked at it so many times. It's actually like purple, like towards the bottom where there's less light and you can see more. Like up at the top it looks like pink because the light is shining on it, and more over here I think like above my bed it definitely looks like pink. I'm trying to make this video as long as possible. Can you tell? Oh my gosh, you know. Today, review what's in my new backpack. This is actually not new. I just thought, I mean, school starts in like literally a week, and this is actually like, this should be in my clarinet case. Yes, I do play the clarinet. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and make sure you click the subscribe button and like this video. This goes to anyone, honestly. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this of like what's on my iPhone, oh, actually I probably can't do that. Yikes. Maybe not. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing what's in my backpack challenge. Okay, so we're gonna skip right to here because I have literally like nothing here. Actually, let me check. Do I have something? I might actually have something in here. No, nothing. That's probably where I'll put like my phone maybe and other stuff like that. So like maybe like headphones, stuff like that, charger, because I am there like a lot. I'm there till like 5:30 in the afternoon. So first, pocket. Oh my gosh, this pocket's already open. Don't want to give any sneak peeks, you know? Okay. So first up is this book. This is actually not like my book. It's from my community library. I mean, it's kind of a disappointment in my mind. I've only read like 40 pages of this. I mean, it seems pretty cool at first. I'm gonna have to reread it, but this is what ruins it. Oh gosh, that's not good. I think that's fine. It says 2017 of April. I know it's like backwards, but just it's really upsetting to me because I mean the book's so good, but it says 2017 of April, and I'm like, maybe that's an Easter egg, but I mean it's look, it's dated in 1982, but you know, let's just say it's in 2017 because that will make everyone happy. No, it made me really mad, honestly. Like, I was like, why? I'm actually gonna put this in here. That's all. I'm gonna put like all my books in there. I am gonna get Thornhill in my library though and read it actually. Okay, so this is where all my pencils and glorious things are. So you know what? Let's make this video longer. So basically, what's in here is all my pencils and stuff. They're 0.7 millimeters, so if you do have classes with me and I ask for lead, give me 0.7 lead. Oh my gosh, I'm like a mess. I know, but, and look how pathetic this is. There's only 6 in here. There's only 6. 0.7 millimeter lead, but there's only 6. But I am happy because they do give me 2 erasers, a new one for each. Oh, I also have a Sharpie in here. Do we need to see the Sharpie in all its gloriousness? Yes, we do. Sharpie. Sharpie. I hate how everything's like mirrored. So like, I might as well just show y'all like backwards. Oh, it doesn't work that way. Fine point, by the way. I am gonna get a new Sharpie. This is like old because I actually have not gone school shopping yet. And here's the reason why. Hold up, let me get a paper towel. It is a good Sharpie for now. Right now it's a good Sharpie. You know, right now it is a good Sharpie. It will last me maybe a little bit. Like, first day of school, last me. It will last the first day of school. But we haven't gone school shopping yet because last year I actually didn't use like a lot of my school supplies. So like I might have had like maybe 2 extra folders that I'd never used. Maybe like my math book, like I had a journal, and after I switched to academic because pre-AP was really, really hard, like I don't necessarily recommend pre-AP. I know you can't change it anymore, but I mean, a lot of people seem like it was easy, but to me, that was really hard. Like, it was super hard for me. Like, I would always be behind. I had an F in math, and then like before I switched to academic, and then I switched to academic, and all of a sudden I was like, okay, like I'm passing now. Like, how'd that happen? Like, and I hear something like really weird. I think it's the TV, honestly. But I don't know. I think the people that keep on ringing our doorbell, probably they're I don't know. But I think so. Here's the story. If you did not tune in my Instagram live, it's fine. But me and my brother, we were talking like during the live, like early, like after a while, and what happened is that people come on ringing our doorbell. Like, they had rung our doorbell twice today, and it was the same people, because I saw the same people still walking like this way, and I think they were trying to get our attention because they probably rang our doorbell again because they thought, oh, no one's home, like, you know, let's see. But I think they might be missing an animal or something, maybe, or a child. I hope it's not a child, but I don't know. So I'm just making assumptions, you know. It's probably not true. Calm down, everybody. I'll be worried when there's an Amber Alert. I dropped my razor. Not my croissant. I don't know. I've heard that meme so many times. It's probably dead now, like, honestly. But I've been rewatching like old videos, like maybe Vixa's Rags to Riches. Link, I mean, not link in the description below. No, that's probably like copyright. Probably not, but yeah. And I've been rewatching. I've been rewatching her Rags. I've been watching her Rags to Riches, and one of her episodes, she goes, you dropped my croissant. Oh, my mom's on there. Hurry home. Surprise, surprise. Welcome back, family. You know. Anyway, so it has a bunch of my markers. This is only some of them. I'm gonna actually grab like my favorite ones. This is pink, and like I think something is Rosa. Who would have known? These are all my like pastel, I guess, colors. These are my favorite ones. One of these that I'm gonna pull out looks like red, but no, it's not. It literally looks like pink. Okay. These are like, oh, three more. These aren't like pastel, but I also like the gray one. Don't judge. Okay. Oh, these are all my favorite colors. This is, oh wait, there's one more that goes here. I'll show you in a second, but you know, Booty Guru, Beauty Guru, right here. You know, focus on that shine. That looks so pretty. I'm not gonna swatch all the colors. No, don't waste my markers. These are for my planner. If you don't know, a planner I don't think many people have a planner. They probably just have the calendar on their phone. Honestly, not me. I like to write things down so I remember them. So I actually have a planner, which you will see in a second. Okay. Because 6th grade is hard. And I'm guessing 7th grade will be the same because I was so busy. I always had a task to do sometime in the week. I always had something, especially if I make the volleyball team, which I probably will, hopefully. I'm not getting my hopes up. Probably though. 11 minutes. Great. This is my planner. So what I do is, let me show you August. August is the most. So, ooh, I just realized tomorrow's not my. So this is my planner, and it just helps me see the layout of my week or month or whatever. It helps me kind of visualize, like, oh my gosh, this looks, wait, oh, this isn't, promise you this is not upside down. Maybe if I do show it upside down, I'll show it right. No, that does not help. Okay. But it just helps me visualize everything because I do have kind of time management problems. In a way, not really, but like I need to know my colors. Like on my old calendar, hold up, be right back. I'm gonna go get my old calendar. It doesn't have that much writing. I'm trying to write more, like every note, like my mom's notes. Like I don't write down my parents' meeting. Like who needs to know that? Like, but like after like morning, like if we leave morning or if we go on a trip, I have like color codes for that stuff. Like, let me find my notes. And also, I'm always worried that maybe one time in my life, I'm probably gonna get in a pretty bad car crash. I mean, it's probably really rare, but I just think about that stuff. So like, I've written like all this stuff to prepare, like if it's like this year that I'm gonna get in a car crash or something bad's gonna happen to me, then I have all the stuff that people need to know about me is written here, so that if I forget myself, I can just read this and be like, oh right, I have a diary thing. No, this is not a diary. Is this a diary? Okay, so this is also like this is, oh gosh, this is my key. Oh, 10%. Dang. Okay, this is my key. This is kind of hard. What does it say? Oh, this is new. Yeah, everything's like backwards. I'm so sorry. So guys, this is not the best way to do things. But anyway, so yeah, that's kind of that. I also have all my contacts. All the people, if I'm in an emergency and they need to contact my parents, all they need to know is right here. I'm not gonna show this. I'm not, because I don't want any people like calling me or anything. But it says name, and I put my first and last name. My first name is Madison, and then my last name. I don't want to give out my last name. I don't. Honestly, I probably can, but I really don't want to. Some people know who I am, and please don't put my name in the comments. That's probably giving y'all ideas. Honestly, I'm so smart. And then I have for my emergency, or in case of emergency, I have my mom and my dad. And and their phone numbers, and I don't know my address, so I don't put it in my planner. I mean, ooh, why is this already like sticky right there? Okay, so then I have like more like personal things, like I'm allergic to penicillin, like I can tell people that, but then it says like other things that I'm not sure that I should tell others, so I'm not gonna say, but I feel like I can if I wanted to, but I feel like it's a bit personal, like it's like my blood group and medicines that I'm on, and I feel like that's kind of, that I can probably share my blood type, but I have like information from the past, so like April to August is all old, like August is new information, like I have that on the 21st our volleyball tryouts and stuff that I need to know, like, and meet the teacher. My time is 5 o'clock to 5:40, and it's on the 14th, and then the 20th is first day of school. And I put, if you're wondering, like a second ago, landing and what those dots are. I don't know if you can. Oh, you can't really see them. Oh, what this dot means. Oh gosh, what this dot means is that it's a school day or a school thing, school event. So it's like, I kind of need to know that. I can actually hold on. I can mark. A green. Okay, so I did like light green for travel. So like when we left for Seattle, oh my gosh, actually last month is pretty July is not really that big, but my Nana and Papa, they live in Corpus Christi, and we went to Slitterbond that's near their house, and then we are finally home.